Dee Dee.
Dada.
Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Can you say Grandma?
Papa.
Can you say Grandma?
Papa.
Can you say Yaya?
Lala.
Good boy. Can you say Rocco?
Coco.
Coco. Can you say Pumpkin?
Bo. Bo.
Can you say Daddy?
Dada.
Yeah. Can you say Nana?
Nana.
Can you say I love you, Nana?
Dada.
Can you say Papa?
Papa.
Good boy. Can you say Rocco?
Daddy.
Doggy.
Doggy. Can you say Mama? Mama.
Go ahead.
Can you say Cracker? Can you say Pumpkin? Pumpkin. Okay.
Want the pumpkin?
What's that? Can you say ghost?
No.
Can you say cat? Can you say Dee Dee?
Oh,
Can you say Izzy?
I can.
Izzy. Can you say Izzy?
Share.
Izzy.
So.
Say hi, Izzy.
So.
Show. Do you want to call Nana?
Nana.
Yes, let's call Nana.
Nana. I don't know Nana.
Yes. Then we'll go watch to see if Nana can come over. To Nana.
Nana.
Oh, we put her on speaker. Oh, where's Nana?
No.
There's Nana. Where's Nana?
Nana.
Hi, Roland. How are you?
Hi,
Hey, Dada.
Oh, Dada?
Dada, Mama.
Mama? Uh-huh.
Hey, Dada.
Papa?
Can you say?
Dada.
Auntie's on the telephone right now.
Oh,
Do
Auntie.
you know?
Uh-huh. Could I call you right back? I'll let her know that you're on the phone, and I'll call you back in just a minute.
Bye, bye.
Okay, say bye bye, Nana. I love you. Can you say Auntie? Auntie.
Dada.
Can you say Auntie? Auntie?
Dada.
What about
Can you?
Tana?
Can you say Tana? Can you say Pumpkin? What are you doing? Can you say Yaya?
Dada.
Can you say bye-bye?
Baba.